Yeah, actually, Jennifer, it was on a local podcast, not on the radio, and it took place in a studio behind me here in Needham. It was actually Reed's attorney who took most of the questions, and he indicated that Reed's defense team might soon be switching to offense. Appearing on the Howie Carr podcast, Karen Reed and her attorney Alan Jackson joked with Carr about a bag of red plastic pieces resembling the taillight pieces from Reed's SUV that played a key role in her trial.
But are there 47 pieces is the question.
Exactly. Some of them are big, some of them are small. Hold it up for the camera there.
More than 2 months after Reed was found not guilty of murder and manslaughter, Reed says the authorities have still not returned her SUV, which they had claimed she used to hit and kill John O'Keefe.
I mean, it's just logistics at this point. There's so much water under the bridge that it would require Adam Lally or somebody from the DA's office reaching out to us.
Reed says she's been living with her parents and that she would like to write a book. She said she was surprised to learn this week that Elizabeth Banks plans to play her in an upcoming series about the case.
I have nothing to do with that. It's not authorized by me in any way.
Jackson, who lives in California, says he's come to Massachusetts to help prepare Reed's defense against a wrongful death lawsuit filed by the O'Keefe family. He also said Reed is considering a lawsuit of her own, but suggested it would likely not be against District Attorney Michael Morrissey.
The question becomes whether or not there is a legal standard that we can overcome to actually prosecute a civil case against them. But generally, the answer is no.
Following the interview, Reed and Alan Jackson left through a back door here at the studios. They did not take any questions from us. Now, a hearing in that civil lawsuit against Karen Reed is scheduled for next month. Live in Needham, David Bieniek, WCVB News Center 5.